Hello, welcome to Your Beautiful. I'm Rincy. Today I'm planning to do this simple yet elegant Onam makeup look. I know it's too early to do this makeup look. Anyway, let's do it. And before getting to the video, I would like to wish you all happy Onam and Hridayam Niranya Onashamsagal in advance. Now I'm all ready to put the makeup on. Man, how much I miss these Onam celebrations. Anyway, let's get ready because I'm planning to take some pics after this. I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Usually apply primer on my T-zone, but this time I am applying it on my entire face because I want my entire face to be a little blurred because you know I have pore issues and I also want my makeup to last a little more longer on my entire face and not just on the T-zone. So now I have created the smooth base. Now I'm starting with the eye makeup and I thought I'll apply the foundation later. So I'm using this nude, it's a cool nude color on a little above my crease. I'm using this dark brown shade on my crease and you can take this a little above your crease in case you have hooded eyes. Because it will create this contoured look if you take a little above your crease, and I'm just blending it in. Now I'm using this brick color on my entire lid. I'm applying it using my fingertip because I want a better pigmentation and later blend it using a brush. Now I'm using the same brick shade on my lower lash line, just below my lower lash line. And towards a little more closer to the lower lash line, I'm using this dark brown, this chocolate brown shade. Now I'm using this cool nude shade that I used on my crease on my inner corners. Here I'm avoiding any shimmery shades because I'm planning to create a matte look. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Compact to highlight my brow bones. This actually finishes my eyeshadow. Now I'm lining my eyes using this Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Here I'm doing just a basic eyeliner look, not a winged eyeliner. For this look I chose this one and not the winged eyeliner look. And I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. Towards the outer corner, I'm planning to create a little smudged look. And I'm using this dark chocolate brown shade to set the kajal so that it does not smudge later. Here I'm using Lakme Absolute Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I complete my entire eye makeup. Now I'm going to my eyebrows. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Precision Eyebrow Artist in the shade dark brown. This is a very creamy pencil, so please go gentle. Now I'm using a spoolie to blend it in. For foundation, I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Matte Foundation in the shade C300 Cool Cinnamon. For shade reference, my shade is neutral to cool skin tone. I'm using a sponge to blend in the foundation. This has a great coverage, and this foundation, what I've noticed is this blurred out my pores and is also long lasting. If you have dry skin, I don't think you need a compact to set in the foundation, but if you have oily skin, you can always choose a compact or a loose powder to set the foundation. Here I'm using the Lakme Absolute Compact to set my foundation, especially on my T-zone. A little bit of contouring. I'm using the same dark brown eyeshadow from the same palette to contour my nose. Here for blush and highlighter, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Shimmer Brick. This is the illuminating shimmer brick from Lakme Absolute range. I won't be using a separate highlighter over here because this itself has some shimmers. For lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crushed Caramel. Now guys, this shade is so beautiful. This actually makes your skin glow. Such a complimenting shade, especially for warm skin tones. This is best suited for medium to deeper skin. So this is my finished makeup look. Now I have come with the complete look with my jewelry and my bindi. Now, how can I finish an Onam look without flowers, right? So this is the final look. I hope you liked today's simple yet elegant Onam makeup look, and I want to wish you all happy Onam in advance. Ellarkum ende Ona Shamsagan. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.